Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Isaac.
This afternoon in particular, we are going to look at a natural activity called volcanicity. Volcanicity occurs when hot molten substances called magma are molten substances found under the ground. When these molten materials burst out of the ground, they begin pouring through an opening called vent. Vent is an opening through which molten materials come out of the ground. When these molten materials reach the surface of the earth, the name changes from magma to lava. When this lava oozes out of the ground, it begins to pile. Due to continuous piling and due to the cool nature of the earth, they begin to solidify and a mountain is created. This, what is flowing, is called lava. And up here is an opening I've been talking of, the vent. Can you cite examples of volcanic mountains? Yes, Adam.
Mount Elgon.
Wonderful. Can we mention advantages of volcanicity? Yes, Shafra. Very wonderful. Volcanicity attracts tourists who bring income to the government. Can we now mention dangers of volcanicity? Yes, Ethan.
Volcanicity leads to destruction of people's movement.
Wonderful. Next time we are going to look at formation of block mountains when we meet. Please take good care of yourselves. May the good Lord be with you.